Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is episode 7, and I've got another tutorial for you about Gemini Gems, which is kind of where I've been living a lot lately. It's not too long ago that Gemini put out an update to 2.5 Pro, which is a pretty amazing tool. One of the great things that you can do with it is create deep research reports that are very, very extensive. Some of these reports I've done have come out and had, been like 40, 50 pages long. They have hundreds of sources often. And so what I'm doing is creating a database of these deep research reports on some of the companies that I cover. What I'm going to do today is show you how I've been creating these and using a Gemini Gem prompt that I created to help speed the process along. So we're going to start off today in Google's AI tool, which is called Gemini. I've been using Gemini a lot lately, and one of the cool things that you can do with it is create what's known as custom GPTs. In Gemini, they refer to these as gems. You can go to the main screen, go over to this icon over to the side, and you can hit Explore Gems. And now you're in the Gems Manager. These are some prefab gems that Google created, and here are some of the gems that I've been working on. I'm going to go into this gem right here. It's the Grocery Company Deep Research Prompt gem, and in order to go and take a look at sort of how I set it up, I'll click on this edit icon right here, and you can see this is what I named it, and the gem is this. Here are the instructions. I told it this is a prompt for companies I want to look up in the grocery industry. The prompter will enter a store company name. This gem should insert that name everywhere it says name. Then it should return the text unedited. Ooh, I missed a period here. All right. So here's the actual prompt that I'm creating. And what I'm going to do with this prompt is once it's created, I'm going to drop it into Gemini Deep Research and have it create one of these long form, 20, 30, 40, 50 page reports for me. But I don't want to have to rewrite this prompt over and over and over again, or have to, type in the names every time I do it. So what I'm doing is creating this gem that once I go to the actual gem prompt, I'll just type in the name of a grocery store, and it'll insert that name into all these areas where I've had the name. So I just want to keep reminding the prompt when I drop this prompt into the deep research tool that this is the company that I'm looking to find information about. So I'm going to update because I added that period, and we'll go back here. So once you've created a gem, and here's how you get to create one, but this one I've already created, so we'll go here, and the way this is supposed to work is that I just type in the name of a company. So we'll type in Costco. Oop, Costco. All right, and here is our prompt. It's a really thorough prompt, and I'm going to go over here, whoops, and click on these three dots and hit copy. And now I can go and launch a new Gemini window. I'm going to click on Deep Research and drop that, or paste that Costco prompt in here. See, it says Costco throughout it, and I'm just going to hit run, and that's basically it. It's going to take a while to come up with this report. It usually, with these deep research reports, can take 5-10 minutes, so you can go off and do something else and come back and have your report. But that's essentially what I've been doing. I'll hit start research. Yeah, so that's basically what I've been doing here to just sort of speed the process along a little bit faster. Rather than having to do this, over and over again, I can just create that prompt pretty easily and type in the name once. I can use this prompt, or a different version of it. I can create others for companies outside of the grocery industry. I'm probably going to create a detailed one for tech companies that I cover and ask them more specific questions about their role in the tech industry and so forth. But that's essentially just sort of a quick way that I'm using Gemini Gems to make my process a little bit more efficient. So that's it. Thanks for joining. Check.